Welcome back to the Neuro Finance Masterclass. Today is a big day. In fact, it's a huge milestone. This is your month one graduation. Today, we're not learning something new, we're celebrating what you've built. The wealth machine is officially live. And this quote right here says it all. This is the fundamental shift that has happened over the last 30 days. You've moved beyond hoping, beyond guessing, beyond the chaotic world of financial gambling. You've become something else entirely. You are now an architect. Just look at this transformation. On the left, that might have been you 30 days ago. The anxious consumer, running on guesswork, fear from the headlines, and a whole lot of stress. But now, look to the right. That's you, the financial architect. Systematic, calculating, disciplined. You've literally rewired your financial identity. So, let's take a look at the masterpiece you've constructed piece by piece. It all started with the foundation, with your financial fortress. Because we all know a powerful offense means nothing without an unbreakable defense. And you built this fortress with 4 critical actions. First, you faced reality head-on by calculating your net worth. No more hiding. Then, you built your wall, that crucial emergency fund to protect you from life's curveballs. After that, you performed a debt triage, separating the good from the bad. And finally, you plugged all those little leaks, the hidden fees, the mindless spending that were draining your resources. And the result of all that hard work, right here, your fortress is secure. Your financial foundation is now, for maybe the first time ever, completely unshakable. No market crash, no scary headline can knock this thing down. Okay, so with that fortress built, what did we do next? We installed something incredible inside of it. We built your unstoppable engine. This is the proactive wealth-building machine designed for one thing: growth. And this engine has 4 powerhouse components. You stopped trying to pick needles in a haystack and decided to buy the world with broad index funds. You then put the whole thing on autopilot, automating everything. You activated a passive income stream through dividends, and then you unleashed the most powerful force in the universe, the 8th wonder of the world: compounding. And let's be clear, dollar cost averaging, or DCA, is the secret sauce to your automation. It's your own personal robot. It invests for you, systematically, consistently, without a single shred of fear or greed. It doesn't care about the news, it just executes the plan. It's what makes your investing strategy emotion-proof. And what happens when that robot works relentlessly over time? You get this. This chart isn't some abstract concept anymore. This is your future. Look at that curve. It starts slow, sure, but then it just takes off. By year 10, it's a ski slope, and by year 20, it's a rocket ship. That's the 8th wonder of the world working for you, 24/7. But you know, a fortress and an engine are just hardware. They're useless without the right software, without the right operator. And that brings us to the most profound part of your transformation: mastering your own mind. We call it neurofitness. You've installed a brand new mental operating system, one that can survive the crazy highs of a bull market and the terrifying lows of a bear market without flinching. You've put yourself on an information diet to starve panic and tune out the noise. And you've mastered the art of robotic rebalancing, sticking to the plan no matter what. Which all boils down to this, your new mantra. Say it with me. You do not react to the market, you execute your system. You are no longer a leaf in the wind of market volatility. You are the commander. You are in control. You execute. So after all that work, after building the fortress, installing the engine, and training your mind, what comes next? What is the grand finale? What's the reward for the architect? That's it. This is your action plan. It's probably the most powerful and, honestly, the most difficult instruction you'll receive. Your job today is to do absolutely nothing. Why? Because the system is live. The machine is running. The foundation you spent the last 30 days meticulously building is complete. Your only job now is to trust the work you've done, trust the architect you've become. Let the system do its job. So take a breath. Feel that sense of security, of control. You've done it. Your financial foundation is set in stone. And this raises an exciting new question, doesn't it? One we'll start to explore next month. Your foundation is set. What will you build next?